Hello students, we will discuss about the chapter motion and their subtopics. For example, rest. Okay, first of all we will discuss about rest. What is rest? If any object do not change its position is called rest. Suppose I am standing here and I do not change my position with time is called rest. Suppose I am standing here and do not move from here. This is rest. Okay. What is motion? If any object changes its position with time is called motion. Suppose I am standing here and in 2 seconds I change my position and I am here now. Okay, so my position is changed with time. It is called motion. Okay, motion is of two types: uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Okay, uniform motion. What is uniform motion? If a body has a non-uniform motion, if a body has uniform motion, then it will cover equal distance in equal interval of time. Okay, suppose a y cover 10 meter a distance in 10 seconds, next 10 meter in 10 seconds, again next 10 meter in 10 seconds. That means his motion is uniform motion. Okay, if a y round move first 10 meter in 10 seconds. Okay, next 10 meter in 10 seconds, again 10 meter in 10 seconds. This means this motion is called uniform motion. Same non-uniform motion. If a body has a non-uniform motion, if it travels unequal distance in equal interval of time. Suppose Ram moves 10 meter in 10 seconds and again 10 meter in 20 seconds. Okay, again 10 meter in 5 seconds. That means his motion is non-uniform motion. Understand? I repeat it. If any object do not cover equal distance in equal interval of time, that means it is non-uniform motion. Okay. Now we will discuss distance. What is distance? The actual length of the path. The actual length of the path covered by a moving object or body in any direction is called distance. Its unit is meter. Okay. Suppose I am standing here and I move slowly like this. Okay. This means it is distance. Okay. I cover distance 2 meter and it is a scalar quantity. Now you think, what is a scalar quantity? What is the word scalar? That means a scalar quantity are those quantities. Scalar quantities are those quantities which have only magnitude, not direction. Okay, that quantities are called scalar quantity. Okay, for example, distance, speed, mass, length, all these are scalar quantities. Okay, now displacement, the shortest length of the path covered by any object in particular direction is called displacement. Suppose that I want open this door. From I am standing here. Okay. Suppose I am standing here and I want to open this door. So I will move like this. That is called this is shortest path, and this is called displacement. If I move like this and I open this door, this is actual path, and this is called distance. Okay, understand what is the difference between distance and displacement? In distance, we will see the actual length, and in displacement, we see the shortest length. Okay, both have same unit. Its unit is meter. Okay, now we will talk about speed. What is speed? Distance per unit time is called speed. Distance per unit time is called speed. Its unit is meter per second, and its formula is S equal to D upon T. Okay, its formula is S equal to D upon T, where D is the distance and T is time. Okay. So then we can say that distance per unit time, or the distance covered by any object in 1 second, is called speed. Okay, it is also non-uniform and uniform. When any object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, it is called uniform speed. If any object covers equal distance in unequal interval of time, this is called non-uniform speed. Suppose that I have a bike and I cover 10 km in 1 hour and other 30 km in 10 hours, in 1 hour. That means it is unequal. Okay, that means this is non-uniform. If I cover 10 km in 1 hour, next 10 km in 1 hour, and next 10 km in 1 hour, that means it is uniform because I cover equal distance in equal interval of time. Understand? So now we will talk about velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is displacement per unit time is called velocity, or if any object cover 1 meter displacement in 1 second, then the velocity will be 1 meter per second. Okay, I repeat, define again. Displacement per unit time is called velocity. Its unit is meter per second. And it is vector quantity. Now you think, what is vector quantity? Vector quantities are those quantities which have magnitude as well as direction. Vector quantities are those quantities which needs magnitude as well as direction. For example, we can say acceleration, velocity, displacement. Now we take the example of displacement. We see here, in this example, we need direction. Okay, if we do not move forward or in a particular direction, that is not displacement, then it is called distance. So displacement is a vector quantity. Okay.